All right, guys, we got Bacopa right here. This is by Wild and Organic. I'm super excited to get into it, get on a health kick, really wanting to just pay attention to things. So if you haven't seen Bacopa, a pretty awesome product here. You got organic Bacopa extract up to 450 milligrams. So that is super cool. It is alcohol free, and we're going to crack it open to see how it works. You use approximately 2 squeezes of this, or I'm sorry, 1 full squeeze of this is 0.7 milliliters, and use it about 2 ounces of water or lemon juice. So we got some water out, and we're going to give it a little taste test, a smell test, and go from there. So read up on Bacopa, what it provides for you as far as like memory and stuff like that. It's supposed to support your whole system, right? Obviously can't say too much, but at the end of the day, there is a lot of support that it provides here. So we're going to crack this open. It does come nicely sealed, which is important. Never want to have something that is not sealed. So let's go ahead and get her open here. It is made with certified organic vegetable glycerin and purified water, and contains no alcohol, sugar, which is super important. And then you do have suggested use on here, as well as the supplemental facts, right? So really nice bottle. It's 120 milliliters, a 4-ounce bottle, and up to 5 month supplies. That's what you should be able to get out of it. So it does say shake before use. So we're going to give it a good shake, just like so. And as we're shaking, obviously you don't want to keep it heat and light. So, and don't use it if the safety seal is damaged. So here we have it. The dropper is integrated. So let's go ahead and get this emptied all the way out. Right there. And then it says 1 squeeze. So we're going to drop it in, 1 squeeze. And there you have it, just like that. That's about what you're going to get out of 1 squeeze. So about a fraction of that. I'm going to smell this. I'm not getting any smell, nothing. Kind of like, no smell. Drops in here pretty simply, just like so. Not any issues with that. Let's give it a little mixy mix. Not going to change our water really much any at all. No smell there. And bottoms up. Let's see what she tastes like. If we got any taste, get a little feedback. Nothing. I got nothing out of it. Maybe gives it a slight oily texture. Maybe. Just a hint of one. Outside of that, absolutely nothing else. Went down like a dream. No issues, no problems. Guys, get some Bacopa. You're gonna want it. Do some research. Check out the facts. This thing tastes good, and it's a great product. Check it out.